you're paying 8.5% if someone invests with you guys. How do they understand how you're paying that? Like you mentioned, like the transparency. I know you said something with Bitcoin, you double collateralize. What's that mean?
So if somebody wants to borrow or place...
I want to place $100,000 with you guys.
Okay, so we're going to be using that to lend $100,000 to our retail clients. They're going to give us $200,000 worth of Bitcoin.
Wow, okay.
So that Bitcoin is going to be held in trust or at a custodian, trust at a bank or a custodian, depending.
Is it always Bitcoin?
No, Bitcoin or ETH. Those are the only two we take.
So would the trouble be, what if Bitcoin went down 90% one day? That would be like the only way?
Well, but then we have automated collateral calls and automated liquidation for the retail loan. So we've never lost any money on a retail loan.
So just like margin loans in the stock market.
Exactly.
But if you're giving an 8.5% return and you haven't lost $1 for investors, shouldn't people be banging down your door to give you money?
We'd love to think that was the case, but there's such a lack of trust in the industry now because of what happened. It's really rebuilding that trust.